Start.
We are making a brochure on our city Ongole. This is our famous bull. This is our favorite beach, and this is our history. His name is Kanduri Veeraselingam. He was a social reformer and writer from the Madras Presidency and one of the early social reformers who encouraged the education of women. And this is our famous dance, Kuchipudi. Is a classical Indian drama and music from that originated in the village of Kuchipuram. And these are our must-visit places: Kodaravu Beach, Bairavona, and Kodili. These are our favorite foods: pesarattu, prawns fry, fish fry, and Mysore pak. These are our famous theatres in Ongole: Gorantla, Satyam, Gopi Krishna, and this is Mallavaram Dam, very famous dam in Andhra Pradesh. This is Prakasam Marriage, and this is Bairavona Waterfalls. And these are our favorite restaurants. This is my best hotel, KB East. Thank you.